welcome to my channel. Today I am going to pick another interesting Google Chrome extensions to make your life easy. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं Google Chrome बहुत widely यूज होता है एज ए ब्राउज़र और almost everyone is using it for all its purposes from browsing to accessing the information. तो इसके कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो मैंने आइडेंटिफाई किए, उन प्रॉब्लम्स को आज पहले मैं डिस्कस करता हूं और फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगा व्हाट आर द एक्सटेंशंस व्हिच कैन बी यूज्ड टू सॉल्व दोस इश्यूज. सो प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1, हमने देखा है कि जब आप एक वेब पेज ओपन करते हैं और आप अगर उसके थ्रू कुछ रीड कर रहे हैं तो आप देखेंगे कि बहुत सारे ऐड आएंगे उसमें और बहुत सारी इमेजेस आएंगी और बहुत अननेसेसरी क्लटरिंग मिलेगा आपको. सेकंड, ये भी देखा है कि जब हम मल्टीपल टैब्स में वर्क करते हैं तो क्या होता है कि अगर आप चाहें कि आप टैब्स को स्प्लिट कर लें, स्प्लिट मीन्स 2 टैब्स ऑन अ सिंगल स्क्रीन, तो वो आप करेंगे लेकिन मैनुअली फिर आपको उसको जूम इन जूम आउट करके सेटिंग करके आप उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो इस काम को करने के लिए भी एक एक्सटेंशन है, वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, अगर आपने स्प्लिट कर लिए, मल्टीपल टैब्स हैं आपके पास, तो आप उन टैब्स को ज्वाइन दोबारा नहीं कर सकते मैनुअली. And sometime you need to demonstrate this thing to your student or to somewhere कि जो बहुत सारी टैब्स आपने ओपन की हुई हैं वो एक सिंगल टैब में मर्ज हो जाए. तो ये कैपेबिलिटी भी हम देखेंगे. थर्ड थिंग इज स्क्रीन कैप्चर. ये बहुत हम एक्सटेंसिवली यूज करते हैं स्क्रीन कैप्चर को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर सर्चिंग समथिंग ऑन अ वेब एंड यू लाइक समथिंग, जो नॉर्मल अप्रोच है वो क्या है, यू टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट और वो स्क्रीनशॉट आप सेव कर लेते हैं. But problem arises when you want to save the entire page because there is nothing in which you can do. तो आप क्या करते हैं, मैनुअली यू ब्राउज डाउन, टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट, सेव इट, देन अगेन मैनुअली स्क्रॉल डाउन एंड टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. और ऐसे करके आपको बहुत सारे स्क्रीनशॉट लेने पड़ते हैं, तब आपके पास एक पूरा उस वेब पेज का स्क्रीनशॉट होता है. इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए भी एक एक्सटेंशन है जो बहुत अच्छे से वर्क करता है. दैट ऑल्सो आई विल डेमोन्स्ट्रेट. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. मैं आपको लेके जाता हूं अपनी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट हाउ दे वर्क. सो नाउ यू कैन सी माय स्क्रीन एंड दिस इज क्रोम वेब स्टोर. यू कैन सर्च वेरियस plugins or the extensions here. Okay, and to save the time, what I have done, I have already searched the extensions which I am going to demonstrate. So in total there are 3 extensions I am going to explain and demonstrate. Number 1 is Mercury Reader, and number 2 is Tab Scissors, and number 3 is Tab Glue, and the last one is, yeah, it is loading. It is basically extension for, so you can take the complete screenshot at a one go. Now I'll demonstrate how they work. So I assume that everybody can use this facility where they will see this button called add or remove here. So just go to this button and add the extension to your browser, and it will be available again in this particular area which you can see here, this one. So this area, all your extensions will be visible. To enable them, you have to click here if you want to use that particular extension. So let me do it. So first extension is Mercury Reader. I have already added to my Chrome, so I'm going to show you how this particular extension works. Let's say this is the web page which I'm going to read. Okay, and I'm interested to read this news, but as I can see there are a lot of images and advertisements and all that stuff which actually hampering my interest of reading this article. So what I will do, I will open this article simply and I will click on my extension button here, and now you can see this is turning red. As you can see here, this button is turning red. Okay, and the complete article has been nicely come up as a text file only. Okay, so now the heading is here and all those advertisement and the stuff which was not useful while reading it is already gone. So this is the wonderful, I frequently use it while I am browsing through the news websites and for the various papers as well. So for the reading purpose, it actually removed a lot of cluttering. So again, if you want to switch off this extension, you have to click it here and this red will go again and this web page will be reloaded. Okay, now as you can see, another extension is Tab Scissor. So I'll again highlight this thing. It is tab scissor, as you can see here. So you can find the link of all these extensions in my description box of this video. Okay, so let's see. Again, it is also added to my Chrome browser. Now I will show you how this particular extension works. So for example, you have this entire row as a this entire row as a window where a lot of you can say the tabs are open. Okay, so what this extension will do, you need to select the point where you want to split these all tabs into two tabs. To demonstration, suppose I am writing something over here by reading a web page. Okay, so when by reading this web page I am writing something here, and the source web page is this. So I am reading this and writing here. So what I will do, I will usually flip these two one by one, and it is a kind of like lot of wastage of time and effort. So what you need to do to improve this process, you simply download that particular extension. The button like this scissor will come here, as you can see here. This is this button. Okay, so this button will be here. You just click on this button, and as you can see here, your original page from where you are supposed to read is on your left side, and the document which you are preparing is on right side. So simply you can now read it and type whatever you want to type here. Okay, by reading the stuff. So this thing you can keep on doing. And another utility is that if you decide that I have to merge these two, so in routine practice it is really difficult. दोनों एक साथ दोनों को join करने के लिए कुछ होता नहीं है. Separate आप कर सकते हैं definitely. That is absolutely right. तो इसके लिए क्या करना है आपको, ये दूसरा extension है. So you can see here this is another extension. This one, it is called glue. So tab glue. So simply you have to click on tab glue, and this tab glue, as you can see here, has removed this tab, and both the tabs are now joined in the original position. So it is really good, this kind of feature, because I usually read a lot on the web pages and write over my document. Okay, so this is really helpful for that. One word of caution is that when you are using it, I'll do it again. When you are using this facility, you cannot copy paste. Once you will do copy, okay, that thing will be minimized ultimately. So basically it is for reading and writing. Okay, so I hope this point you will keep in mind. Again, I am gluing these two tabs. Now I am going to the last extension, that is one click full page screenshot. Very useful extension. What it does, it basically takes the screenshot of your full web page. How? Let's see. So this is, for example, the web page. Okay, and I want the complete web page to be screenshot to use somewhere. Now the routine practice is, I will do this, take this control print screen and save whatever is there on this entire screen, and take the multiple snaps to capture this whole web page. But this particular extension, if you add to your Chrome browser, okay, it will give you an ability to convert this complete web page into a single file. How it works, let me show you. So this is it is actually very dark color camera sign here, so it is not that much visible, but I am highlighting it again so you can see it. This is the camera. Okay, so you have to click on this. I have already clicked. Now you can see some animation is running, that your page is being captured to a single snapshot, and it will be opened into a new window. Okay, so once this process will be done, this complete web page will be converted into image, and it will be available to you as a single file. So as you can see here, a new tab has been opened just adjacent to the page which I was trying to capture, and all these images have been, the complete web page has been converted into a single image file. So there are two options here, again load or download. So what I will do, I will select here the download thing, and if I will click here, it will download this entire one click screenshot for me. Okay, so this downloading has been started, as you can see here. Okay, this is the place where it will get download. Now when I will click it, it will again open and show me what has been downloaded. I hope the complete web page will be converted into multiple images in a single file that you can actually share with anybody. So typically what happens, these kind of web pages, if you take a screenshot, then you have to do it multiple times, and then you have to attach the multiple images and then send to somebody if you want to do that. So to solve that problem, see, as you can see here, this complete web page is a single image. It is rendering, so that's why you can see the image quality is not good, but yeah, the rendering is complete. Yes, now you can see a nice single one page image of that complete web page is available. उम्मीद करता हूँ ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए काफ़ी यूज़फुल रहेगी। आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए कि कौन सा वाला एक्सटेंशन आपको सबसे अच्छा लगा और ऐसे कौन सी फंक्शनैलिटीज़ आप चाहते हैं गूगल क्रोम में एज ए एक्सटेंशन, जो कि मैं यहाँ पे रिव्यू कर सकता हूँ। I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe. Thank you.